Mina guys bengise-toilet ne mangise-toilet okay ngingene noNthabiseng mangena noNthabiseng ngishuthe ngithathe iy'thombe ngefoni yami naye yabo, and then aphume and then ngisale e-toilet. Mangisala e-toilet kube khona usisi yabo, kube khona usisi afuna ukushutha nami yabo. Okay, sishuthe ifoni yami isakhona. Okay, ngingene e-toilet ngiphume nefoni yami isakhona. I don't clearly remember ukuthi ngifake ephaketheni or ngibekile while ngiwasha izandla. Between those two yabo. Okay, ingene iseleb yabo. Mayingene iseleb angifuni ukusho igama lomuntu because I'm not sure, but ingene iseleb. Malingene iseleb afike e-toilet and then aze eduze kwami. Mayeze eduze kwami angazi noma ifoni uyikhiphile or ifoni uyithathile. Mangena okay, mayingena afike eduze kwami angimjwayele nje yabo. Mangena Naledi, my baby, we see you, you're doing great. And then magaphuma uphuma kanje, like akaphumi kanje isicapha, like magaphuma akaphumi like isicapha nje asiqonde kanje, uphuma uyahlehla. Naledi, we see you yabo, yonke leyo nto leyo. Luckily benginomuntu engilindile emnyango, my manager uDK bekangilindile emnyango. Mangilindile, the girl went straight to the door. Akaphindanga aya kwi-event. She just went straight to the door. Waphuma yabo, wahamba yabo. Angengilishi igama lakhe, but yeah, uphumile yena wahamba, like wahamba kwi-event, waphuma kwi-building eSandton. Wahamba because it says i-tracker ifoni yasho ukuthi 7 minutes ago uphumile lo muntu, kwavela o-discam abangaphandle. And then masifika la endlini ebusuku because sivele sahamba sangaqhubeka nje, sivele sahamba. Masifika la sithi siyayi-tracker, ithi se-Alexandra. Okay, and then sazama ke ukuphuma la endlini siye khona, sa-check i-location. And then sathi ngesikwazi ukuthi siye emzini womuntu siyonoka because izobe ngathi yabo siyamhlasela or something. Asiqale police station, and then police station bafuna izinto eziningi. And then we couldn't go siye kuloya muzi loya yabo, sayeka kanjalo ke. But ngiyamsola lo sisi lo, ngiyamsola ukuthi ngeke ngize ngikwazi ukusho igama lakhe, but awukwazi like iqondanile yonke into. Wena ifoni sayi-track 7 minutes ago, wena usuhambile, wena usukephi. Mina nje shuthi ngithengele i-celebrity iPhone 12. Siyakubongela sisi wami, you've won yourself an iPhone 12. Not iPhone 12, iPhone 16. Siyakubongela kakhulu, siyakubongela, inkosi ikubusise. Utholile i-iPhone yakho ongayifukuzelanga, ongayisebenzelanga. Wena nje uyinja nje, hayi wena uyinja nje, uNkulunkulu nje uvela athi imana uthole i-iPhone 16. Wena nje uyighost. Siyakubongela kakhulu sisi wami, inkosi iqhubeke ikubusise. Uthole namaguji ucoshe ngawo, ngathi ungacosha nangemoto one day, i-G-Wagon. Siyakubongela.
Naledi umaka yani munyani. I don't know how you feel, honestly, knowing that there is no truth in everything that you're saying about me. I don't know, Rufila. First of all, I get tagagago, ne? Ke batla o bule ditshebetso tsa gago tse pedi, o nkutlwisise. I've been in this industry for more than 18 years. You are not just going to accuse me of something saying hauna proof ya sone, and you're not even sure of what you say. Your story is all over the place. My love, You don't do that. You don't drag my name in the mud just because of attention. You want attention. So many people were using that bathroom. Just because I went in the bathroom and you were also there doesn't mean I stole your phone. There were a lot of people in the bathroom. Why is it me? Is it because you know that when you post it and mention my name, people will pay attention? Or what is it? What game are you playing? Because it doesn't make sense to me. I feel like you are so disrespectful. Like, honestly, I don't even know you that much. The first thing I did today is like, I stole a phone. When? How? Like, young. Zara, don't do that. Do not do that. Every action has consequences, and I don't know if you understand what you're doing. After I left the bathroom, I went back inside the venue. I never left, by the way. I'm one of the last people by Longhor they left the venue. I stayed until the very end. So I don't understand. I don't know how your phone ended up with Alexei. I don't have friends there. I don't know anyone. The last time I was there, I was performing. So I don't understand what you're trying to achieve. Like, what I want to understand is why are you dragging me into it? Like, when they mentioned you misplaced your phone, they didn't say the phone. So where is this coming from today? Huh? When they mentioned your phone there, because I was there, why didn't they mention it's me right there and there? Come on. Don't do what you're doing. Like, Naya sweetie. No, you need to stop what you're doing. You are way out of line. And I might not be the first person, I might not be the last person, but I had to address you and make you aware. Don't do that. You still have a bright future. Focus on the right things.